Okay, welcome to the personal property tour for 21 Waters Crescent in Lochgelly. A fantastic first floor, one bedroom apartment. Ready to move in for someone. It has its own back garden as well, or side garden I would say. It's on the side of the building outside. And let's take a look inside. Let me flip the camera around. I'll tell you where it is for anybody that doesn't know in relation to everything else towards the end. So here the property is here. Again, 4 in a block here, so you're first floor and you're in that corner over there. We'll go in the door and I'll see you at the top. And as if by magic, here we are, right behind me here. Let me flip the camera around and take you in. So, timber door to get in. Got a nice hallway as you come in here. There's a storage cupboard over there. It houses the condenser combi boiler as well, so you've got storage in there. You've got an attic space as well. Probably, I think it's got storage up there as well. Off to my left hand side, you've got a good double bedroom. There's views over here, by the way. There's fantastic views. So, good sized double bedroom in here, as you'll see. Got that freestanding wardrobe. Got a funny feeling that's going to be left. So you've got that there as well. And there's some fantastic views over here. Now, there's a convenience store just down in that corner, so that's easy access in to get anything. It's a pickup store as well, I think, for Amazon and stuff like that. You can see the wee box just there. But over the rooftops towards the hills, it's an amazing view. And there. Give you one last look in here before we leave in this room. So good sized double bedroom. Right across the hallway is the bathroom. WC and sink. And then you've got your bath in here with shower attachment. So shower attachment. So you've got a shower overhead that you can have as well. So bath or a shower, depending on what you want. Into your living room area. Good sized living room. Plenty of space in here. See that freestanding electric fireplace there. If you don't want that, you could take that out. Using another usable space for there. So you've got plenty of spaces. You can see it's setting up a gaming area and also a seating area as well, but you can put your 3-piece suite there and a couple of seats down there, and you could stick your television on that above there, and that could be perfect for you. Again, you've got these views right over there. Brilliant, eh? Wait till you see the views out the back towards the Queensbury Crossing. And then into your kitchen. So, good sized kitchen, space for a fridge freezer as you'll see, plenty of worktop space all the way around there, also for a washing machine in there and an oven, hob and extractor above. So good amount of space here. Now out the back, you can see right across there, that is an old water tower. You never know, one day that might be taken away, and that could be brilliant, but you've still got this beautiful view right across there. See if I can see it, I can see just above there. You've got, there you go, the Queensbury Crossing. So that view's right over to Edinburgh in there. So it shows you how close it is. And we've got a garden down the side there, and I'm going to take you there right now. So here we are out the back, just walking round to the garden that comes with this. It's a nice big area actually. Here we are right here, that's all yours, that stone chipped area. And actually perfect, because we're sitting at round about 10:30 just now. The sun is hiding over there. You'll get a good mobile signal, by the way. The sun is sitting right there, so it's probably going to come up over here, and it's going to be sitting on there most of the time. Coming all the way around, it still goes all the way up and all the way up and all the way up and all the way to there. And I've been told this is why this is sitting here, because basically it comes and goes down over there. So sun on here most of the day. You can see these bright blue skies behind me as well. For anybody that doesn't know the area, let me tell you a bit more about here. Fantastic one bedroom first floor apartment. If you know a first time buyer or you know somebody that's looking for a property list, tag them in this post just now. This is Lochgelly. So Lochgelly is an established Fife town offering good range of local amenities, including shops, healthcare facilities, schooling and leisure facilities. Primary education available locally, secondary education in Lochgelly High. And the town benefits from its own railway station as well, providing convenient connections towards Edinburgh and other parts of Fife, while good road links give easy access to the A92 and the wider motorway network. Now, nearby Loch Meadows country park provides excellent opportunities for walking, cycling and outdoor pursuits. I have done several triathlons there, off-road triathlons as well, and running events there as well, and I believe Rockcore is going to be there soon. So it's another music festival that's there, so you've got that on your doorstep as well as the train station as well. So to round up on this, well, great local amenities, good transport links, and countryside close at hand. Lochgelly is a convenient location, I would say, for families overall, and commuters, and especially people that are looking for their first time buy, and this could be the one for you. So, fantastic 1-bedroom apartment, first floor, ready to move in for someone. Okay. There's more details on this post. You can click on the link above or below for photographs and descriptions. If you need to contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can call us on 01592 75 2000. Until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for 5 Properties TV.